Guys, we are back with Fourth and Gemini singing on the stage of Soundcheck episode 193. They're singing side by side and I'm excited. Let's do this because today we're supposed to get my school president, but we're not because of the new year. So I am sad and we have to watch Fourth and Gemini content today. So guys, make sure to subscribe. If you want to watch early access gMMTV shows with me and more BLs, make sure to go on my Patreon. Link is down below. Let's go. Also, damn, live vocals, like, they're so good. Wow. Wow, they sound exactly like studio versions. That's not it, right? What? This is too short. What is this? Wow. This is it? I thought we're getting more. Oh, I am not liking this at all. Wow. This is incredible. gMMTV really found like new fresh talent. They can act, they can sing, they get great chemistry. They're amazing and they're so young, so there's so much room for them to grow. Like, I'm just so happy that now they're getting more rounded talents, like people that can do both acting and singing. Because I'm gonna say it again, they're trying to make people sing, they're trying to make actors sing, and they cannot sing. So stop making actors that can't sing, and do full-on concerts while singing if they cannot sing. But this, wow, they are real singers. Their voices are beautiful. They have trained as singers. Like, they're just so amazing. I'm so sad that there's no episode today, and now that I found that this clip is so short, I'm like so disappointed, but it's fine. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed. This was very short, but yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.